Dude, they're all over the grass. I'm stepping on all of them.
I know.
It's horrible.
There's like half like alive ones everywhere in the grass.
But watch this.
Dude, I can smell their shells burning.
I can smell your vagina burning.
It smells like burnt popcorn.
It smells like burnt vagina. You stuck inside of it.
Are all those one over there like half alive?
Well, some of them aren't anymore.
Maybe these black ones are on like their last stage of life.
Yeah, they are. The white ones are the ones that just came out of the shells.
Maybe they've been coming here for generations.
I mean, they stay in the ground for a couple of years.
Tree.
They stay in the ground for a couple
Yeah,
of
this
years.
is home tree.
It's home tree. Jesus, dude, they go all the way up.
Yeah, I know. They go way up the tree.
I wonder how many are actually like in the tree.
Thousands, dude. They probably all crawl to the freaking.
Probably all just freaking like
Crawl into
watching
the
us waiting.
They go into the leaves.
We should cut down.
Dude, you can't even like really see it on video, you know? You can't see all the little guys. You can only see the tree.
Well, I know something that the video can see. Not a wheelbarrow. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Even that or
We'll mute out your voice though.
Oh, come on, dude. John, get this one.
No, don't roast the live ones. It's horrible. So I'm not gonna record you roasting the live ones. That's horrible.
How about a dead one? You're just gonna come and break your ass.
Oh god.
I hate these things so much.
What happened?
That was
Jumped
like
at you?
Jimmy! That was a suicide bomber.
Dude, this is disgusting walking around in this grass.
I know.
I don't even know why I'm walking around in my socks. It's horrible. There are literally cicadas all over here too, dude. There's the holes where they all came out of. And there's the shells and more cicadas. Here's a larvae about to emerge.